mabuhay. I am Grayon J. A. Capio in BHSM 1. Now, I will discuss the 12 types of academician. So, this is the 12 types of academician. First is hotels. Hotels, a place where people stay for a short time with rooms, foods, and services. And my example is we stayed at a 4-star hotel with a swimming pool and restaurant. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is condominium, a private apartment in a building that people can rent for vacation. And my example in condominium is we rent a condo near the beach and a kitchen and balcony. Number 3. Motel, a small hotel beside the road of travelers with cars. My example in motel is we stop at a motel overnight during our road trip. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is INNS, a small, cozy place that offers rooms and sometimes food. And my example in INNS is we stay at a country INN that serve homemade breakfast. Number 5. Number 5 is apartment. Apartment, a place with rooms and kitchen and a living area, usually for longer stays. In my example of apartment is rent a apartment for a month while studying in the city. Number 6 is Paradors. Paradors is a special hotel in a historic building like a castle or monastery. And my example of Paradors is they stayed in a parador that used to be an old place in Spain. Number 7. Number 7 is pension, a small guest house where people can rent rooms and get meals. And my example of pension is we stay in a pensions run by friendly local family. Number 8. Number 8 is bed and breakfast, a small home or INN that offers a room for the night and breakfast in the morning. And my example of bed and breakfast is the bed and breakfast owner cook us fresh pancakes every morning. Number 9. Number 9 is hostel, a cheap place where travelers share rooms and bathrooms. And my example of hostel is the hostel had bunk beds and a kitchen for guests to use. It's number 10. Number 10 is campground, a place outdoors where people can sleep in tents or RVS. And my example in campground is we rent camping and a campground near the lake. Next is 11. Health spa. Health spa is a place where people relax and take care of their body and mind. And my example of health spa is spend the weekend at a health spa for massages and yoga. The last number is private home, a room or house rent from someone who lives there. My example of private home is we book a private home through Airbnb or our family vacation.
Sue.